Want to create your own community on Roblox? Whether you're building a fan club or a gaming group, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on Chat at the bottom right of the screen. Then at the top, select Communities and wait for it to load. Now tap on Create Community. This option might be at the top right corner or somewhere on the screen. Here, enter your community name and if you want, add a description. This is optional. You can also upload an image for your community by selecting one from your gallery. Next, adjust the privacy settings. You can allow anyone to join or require approval for new members. To finalize, you'll need 100 Robux to create the community. Once you have enough, confirm your selection and your community will be ready. You've successfully created a community on Roblox. Now you can invite members, customize settings, and start engaging with your group. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips.